Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing this eBay exhaust kit onto my 2003 Toyota Celica. Wow, so this is the exhaust, well, this is the muffler. Nice. Okay, look at that exhaust tip. Alright, so from the mail, we got this muffler, my exhaust. I think this is, it's not an adapter, but it's like the gasket. Flange, nice, got some hangers. The welds look not the best, but it worked. And then this is the pipe going from the muffler to the exhaust tip, which is covered up, but let me pull it off real quick. This should come with a silencer, and it does. Nice. Yeah, there we go. Okay. That's like way in there. Okay. Oh. Took me way too long, but I finally got one side of the muffler out of the rubber holder by using a bolt and a vice grip to push it out. But man, this took me like a good maybe 20 minutes. This one's almost off. It's been like another 30 minutes. But we got a whole nother one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I pulled out the wrong part. Okay, it's been like over an hour, but it's out. The old exhaust is out. Oh shoot. My bolt, it's still stuck in the rubber. Let me just pull this out. Nice, this is what I used to push it out. Oh my goodness, these gloves are gone. A whole lot of WD-40 was used right there. And dude, it took me so long. I'm so sore, but it's good, we got it out. Now I just gotta pull it out. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Here's that old exhaust, stock. Straight from the factory. Here we go. All right, we're under the car. It's time to put on the muffler. So I may or may not have bought the wrong size nuts. Look at how big these are. But I found some random nuts laying around that can fit on the end, but they can't go all the way down. I'm gonna just use it for now, so let's hope it works. I started at 9 p.m. It's 12 p.m. and we have zip ties holding this together. This cannot be real right now. Oh, now we have a sketchily installed exhaust. I just need to remove the styrofoam, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go get some nuts for these, and we'll have an actual exhaust installed. It's 12:38 right now. I started this at 9. Okay, so we got it on. The exhaust is like touching the plastic. So I just took some of the foam that came in the box, wrapped it in foil tape, put it right here. Let's hope it prevents melting for just a bit until I get it fixed. All right, hopefully we have everything this time. You got M10 washers, M10 nuts. From what I read, it should be M10 by 125. They're metric, so it was a little hard to find. Scissors to cut off the zip ties, and a 9/16 wrench, or 14 millimeter. After a whole lot of work, the springs would not compress enough, or at least I couldn't get it to compress enough to get it onto the stock bolts. So what I did was I just found 2 really long bolts with nuts on them, and then I added the washers that I bought, and I put the springs on it, and now it's pretty like sketch, but it works. The spring's still on there, so hopefully the exhaust's not gonna like blow up or anything. Yeah, that took me way too long to do. I think over 5 hours total. I read somewhere that it should have only taken like 30 minutes at most, but hey, that was not the case for me, but it worked out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the exhaust sounds.
Waiting for pairing. Waiting for pairing. Pair.
So after driving for a couple of days, I can really say that I do enjoy the sound of the exhaust. It sounds great for $180 on eBay. Um, I'll put the link or post a picture right here. The install was hard for me, but it's my first time. It shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, it was great. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and just stay updated for the next one.